nutrition topic continue. How do plants obtain carbon dioxide? Plants જે હોય કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ કેવી રીતે ઓબ્ટેન કરે? તો ફોર ધેટ વોટ ઇઝ ધ સોર્સ? For the plants, the source is atmosphere. So plants obtain carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now how it will enter into the leaves? So carbon dioxide enter the leaves of the plants through the stomata with the help of stomata. Second question, where the stomatas are there? Stomatas are present on the surface of the leaves and sometimes on green stems and roots also. But maximums are on the leaves. That's why maximum exchange of the gases will take place through the stomatas of the leaves because plants have many numbers of the leaves, right? Structure of stomata. If you see the structure of the stomata, they refer the figure number 6.3, right? Here, there you can see that stomata consist of minute pores like this. Dot 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 જેવા નાના 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 pores હશે. Stomata consists minute pores. These pores, right? What is there around the pores? Around the pores there are such types of the cells, guard cells. Guard cells are there around the stomatas. Now, functions or the role of the guard cells, right? Opening and closing of the stomatas are controlled by the guard cells. તો આ ફંક્શન થયું. ગાર્ડ સેલ શું કામ કરશે? તો કે they controls the opening and closings of the stomata. When the pores open, when the pores close. Now see, when water enters into the guard cells, જ્યારે પાણી ગાર્ડ સેલની અંદર જશે તો શું થશે? What happen then? It becomes turgid. Turgid biological word. Simple word is swelling. Guard cells ફૂલશે, swell થશે. As a result, the pores open. Now it's opposite and opposite જોઈએ તો when the guard cells lost the water, એ પાણી જ્યારે નીકળી જશે અંદરથી સુકાઈ જશે. Then it shrink means ચીમડાઈ જશે and it cause the pores to close. Finally, aquatic plants હોય, how they obtain the carbon dioxide? So some amount of carbon dioxide is dissolved in the water. Aquatic plants use this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis process.